We're at the first stage of the breakwater construction. They're laying down geotextile fabric and bedding stone, which will form the foundation for the larger boulders that will form the breakwater itself. This project has 4 major phases. Constructing a breakwater, which is going to stabilize the shoreline. Then we're going to fill behind the breakwater for creating a marsh. And then after that, they're going to dredge the Fowl River Navigation Channel. And finally, after the fill has consolidated, we'll plant marsh in the marsh fill area.